In the Philippines, we used to call this Puni Star. First, take 4 long strips of colored paper, then fold it in the middle. After that, put the blue between the yellow between the orange, and then the orange between the green, and then insert the green between the blue. Pull everything together to create a square like this. Yan. Flip it upside down. There are 2 colored strips on each side. Take the top part, then fold it towards the other side. Starting from green, then will be overlapped by the orange, which will be overlapped by the yellow. Then we're gonna insert the blue strip under the green square to lock it. Next, fold the yellow strip going under to create a triangle. Make sure the tip is on this side. Fold it again going above. Now we have our roof, and then we're gonna fold it together. Get the strip, then insert it on the square under it, which is the blue square for me. Pull it, and now you have the first triangle of your star. Repeat the steps on the orange strip. We move to the orange strip because we are gonna do the right strips on each side of the square. Do the same on the next strip, which is green. Fold it under, create first triangle, fold it above, second triangle, fold the roof together, and insert the strip on the square below it. On my case, it is orange. Last strip, which is the blue, fold the first triangle, second triangle, and then we're gonna fold the roof together and then insert it on the square below it. On my case, it is the green square. Pull it, and then we're done on the right strips. We're gonna move on to the left strip. Then once again, flip it upside down before starting to do the left strip. Repeat steps on this strip. First triangle, second triangle, roof, and then fold it together. Now insert it under the square. See, this is the square that I'm talking about. Insert it under the strip, insert it under the orange square like I'm doing right now. There you go. This is the close-up of the square where you're gonna insert your strip. This green is the last triangle for our star. Now that we're done with this side, we're gonna create the curve in front. On this side, get 1 strip from each color, then fold it towards the other direction to make it stand up. There. Then take 1 strip, example yellow, bring it on its opposite side, which is green, then insert it under the green strip to create a loop. Make sure a strip is between the loop because that is the next loop we're gonna create. Here, orange is in between my yellow loop, so I used it as a second loop, followed by the blue one here, and then we're gonna move to the green one. Now, if we have our loops together, we're gonna slowly pull on the top strips on each side, make the round curve part tighter. There. Now we have it. We're gonna do it again for the other side. Insert the yellow on the green side, then pull. Insert the green on the yellow side, then pull. Orange under the blue side. Blue strip under the orange side, then pull. Pull to make it tight. Make sure everything is tight and slightly fold the edge of the circle. Now flip it. Do the same on the opposite side and slightly fold the edge of the bond. Now we're gonna cut it. We're now cutting each edges to reveal the star. P.S. I glued mine before doing this. There, now we have it. This is our final product. This is our woven star or